So far, we have just looked at open chords. In this video, we will open up a whole new world and look at what's known as barre chords. So what is a barre chord? Well, a barre chord is where you place a finger, most likely your index finger, over all the strings, then using your other 1, 2 and 3 fingers to form the rest of the chord shape. The advantage of barre chords is that the chord changes can be much faster and precise. Also, the same shape can play many different chords depending on whereabouts you bar on the fretboard of your guitar. However, when first starting to play these chords, it can take some time to gain enough strength in your finger to play without buzzing a string or two. Another problem is that when changing chords, you mute the strings, resulting in a brief silence, unlike with open chords, where the strings that weren't held down will keep ringing out during the changeover. Before we go any further, we'll just have a quick look at the fretboard, in particular this top string, the E string here, and just look and see what notes are where. This will really be important to when you start forming your barre chords. So the open string is E, F, skip 1, G, skip 1, A, B, skip 1, C, D, and back to E, an octave higher. So that's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and back to E. Previously, we looked at the E chord, with the third string up, first fret, and next 2 fingers on the 4th and 5th string up, 2nd fret, E chord. Right, to simply form an F chord from that is slide these 3 fingers up and bar. G, A, B, C, and D. So E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. So E. Many songs have been written and played just using barre chords. One of my favourites is, you may be able to guess it. As I said before, I'm also just a beginner. I have a lot of work to do, as you can see on those barre chords myself. So basically, let's just keep going, see where it gets us, and have fun. That's the main thing. Just have a bit of fun. And all that's left to say is, Michelle.